Hello beautiful people, hope you are doing fine. Christmas is around the corner and to make Christmas even more beautiful, I thought why not make a Christmas DIY with the things that are easily available in the house. So without any further ado, let's get started. For this you need cardboard, thick chart paper, scissor, cutter, X-Acto knife, pencil and battery operated string light. First I will show how to make star shape using thin paper. This star shape I will be using as reference. Now fold it in half. Then like this. Now mark these points. And fold like this. Now cut diagonally like this. And you get star shape. I will trace this star shape on thick chart paper and cut. Like this I made 5 stars. Now I will draw designs on this paper. To avoid making any mistakes, I first drawn on simple paper like this. Now I will transfer it on this chart paper. For transferring I will use tracing method. For that I will shade the backside of my drawing. And then trace the drawing. Like this I trace all my drawings on 4 stars. Now I will cut using X-Acto knife. Here you can see I added small border on the sides. For showing stars in the sky, I cut small stars and poke some holes using compass. My all layers are complete. Now I will arrange and stick them. For that I will cut small strips of around 1 cm and stick them around edges. I am starting from bottom layer, which is plain chart paper. Now stick second layer on this and repeat the process. Now I will make box to hold this star. For that I will draw and cut using this star as reference. This is front side. I made front border little wider than bottom star border. Sides I will make little wider so that it can hold lights. I will mark and fold according to shape of the star. Before sticking properly with glue, I will use paper tape to hold this cardboard in place. Now secure the edges properly using glue. Next I decorated star using white paper. You can even use fancy gift paper or paint Christmas theme colors to make it more attractive. Next I will use transparent projector sheet to cover star so that dirt or other things won't fall in it. I will stick it here using glue. Now carefully place the star in box. At the back I will put this battery operated string lights. Cover and secure it using tapes. And this is how it looks. I will show you how it looks at night. But before that, hit that like button if you think this video deserves a like or just as a Christmas gift to me. Subscribe if you want to. Comment if you are going to make one. Wish you all Merry Christmas and Happy New Year. Peace.